Sinusuyo ng buong mundo para hanapin ka. What can you say to the girl na 8 months and 2 weeks, What can you say to the girl na 8 months and 2 weeks, Emmy, pero kahit red flag si boy? It depends on how you define red flag eh. Kasi lahat tayo, may red flags tayo. And when you love a person, when you accept a person in your life, you will choose the things that, you will choose the red flags na you will accept and love about that person. Kasi may mga red flags talaga na, alam mo nang, talagang you cut off that person. May red flags talaga na literally can ruin you as a person. Pero in a way, if that 8 months and 2 weeks kayo, and those red flags ay kaya mo namang i-communicate with that person and then work your way around it, doon talaga magde-depend yun eh. How bigat the red flag is and how much you can accept yung tao. Kasi, guys, if magbabasa tayo sa red flags, magbabasa tayo sa yung red flag lang at hindi yung kabuuang karakter ng tao, eh di wala lang talagang magkakatuluyan. You know, kasi lahat naman tayo may red flags and you just choose which and what you accept or not. And you have to work around it. You know, just the right communication and comprehension. Yun lang. Alam mo, nakakatawa. I say all these things, eh wala pa akong experience. You know, ewan ko lang. Kasi I always see in a third person perspective. And I have lots of friends na I observe. And I think, nanggagaling yung mga mga advice ko. Wow, advice. Nagpabangs ako dahil sa'yo. Yes! Love that. Papansinin mo ba ako o hindi? Pag-iisipan ko. Magkakaroon pa kayo ng international shows. Wait na lang kayo. Any shows na bawal ko sabihin. Pero, so far, ayun pa lang ina-announce. Yeah. Oh my gosh, multo. You know, I met Gian. As in, recently. Tapos, I saw Gian yesterday. Tapos sabi ko, Gian! Grabe yung kanta mo! Nare-relapse ako! Mga gumagano na ako. Grabe yung kanta mo! I love Gian. Super kind. Super kind. Pwede kang mag-cut ng hair. Kakahaba ko lang ng buhok ko. Gugupit na agad. I don't think I'm gonna cut my hair very, very soon. Malalim, umikit na muna. Sakaling namamalit-mati. What's your multo, AJ? I think my multo would be, feeling ko nga, iniisip ko nga kung gagawa ko ng like content about it eh. Pero my multo definitely would be my college course, would be my architecture self and how